Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome all new people if you're watching me for the first time. So in my last video you have seen the denim skirt. Now in this video I'm gonna convert my old t-shirts. Actually I'm gonna refashion my old t-shirts. So those t-shirts are very old and does not fit me. So I thought to give a new look to them. So keep watching the full video to see all the t-shirts and dresses which I'm gonna redesign. So let's move into the video. So this is the first t-shirt I'm gonna DIY. I'm using my another t-shirt to take some idea about the measurement, and I'm putting some mark with the chalk, and next I have to cut this shoulder part out. Next I'm gonna add this fur on the edges, so just cutting it according to the neck size. And using hot glue gun I'll just place the fur, also a little bit back on the shoulder. And here is the before and after of the t-shirt.
I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told.
In my second DIY, I'm gonna use this oversized t-shirt which has a Mickey Mouse print on it. So I'll take out the upper part of the t-shirt, and this is another dress which I'm gonna use. And now take the inside out, and I'll join the upper part which I took it from my dress, this black part which I took it from the dress, and I'll stitch from the middle and little bit from the both sides, and I'm done. And I think it looks super cute. What do you say? Tell me in the comment section. My third DIY will be from this dress which I have shown you before. I'm gonna use the bottom part as a skirt. I saved it before, and I think it goes very well with the white top. like the designs. So just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to stay connected, and we'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.